fixing to install the carriage. We have a thick washer, a thrust washer, and a thin washer. You want to apply grease to the top of the boom. And you want to grease the thick washer on both sides. Next, you want to grease your thrust washer. And last, your thin washer goes on top. And you want to line your shaft carriage up. Once you get this lined up with your washers and all, once everything is lined up, you want to make sure your notches are lined up with the bolts and the shaft in. Then you want to tighten your upper and lower bolts on the carriage and run the jam nut in and tighten those also. Then you do the same thing on the bottom. Before you put your chain on, I'm going to go ahead and grease it. Now we're going to rotate it the other way and put some more grease in. And you want to grease it till you see grease coming out here and at the bottom, and you have plenty of grease.